Hi guys, this is Young, and yes, I'm here with my EVO 2 Pro. But of course, I'm not going to fly it here because I'm in the middle of the city and I don't have the license. So what I'm gonna do is ride around the city holding this drone very carefully. And you can probably see a really tall tower there, and that is the 6th tallest tower in the world. So hopefully I can show you guys some decent low light footage for those of you who are very interested in finding out the low light capability of EVO 2 Pro. So let's ride!
As well as the zoom, you can always manually change the aperture, shutter, and ISO as you see fit. And for photos, there is the hyperlight mode, where you can simply get bright pictures at night. And even at 120 frames per second at 2.7K, I thought the camera performance worked rather well. Look at all these pretty fairy lights.
Well, how was that? It was a really short video because, I didn't fly, so I didn't get some amazing, aerial footage. But I do have the footage down in my Google Drive, so please do check them out if you're really interested. And I'll be continuing to flying EVO 2 Pro and some other drones as well. So please do stay tuned, subscribe, like the video, and see you!